Hi guys, welcome to another series of Wellbony Ventures. On today's series, I will be sharing with you how to make this headband on your own. Let's get started. So firstly, I have my nets in. I'll be using these two color nets, and I'll be using this band and this Alice band as well, scissors and this glue gun and the elastic band. So firstly, I measured the Alice band, which is 14 inches. Then I'll be cutting out like 1 inches to like 28 inches, a trimming edge of the net that I'll be using. So after I've cut it out, I measured the elastic band, which is 9 inches, and I cut it out. Once I cut it out, I'll be using the trimmed net that I cut out with this elastic band together. I glued the elastic band to the Alice band. Once I glued the elastic band to the Alice band, I'll be using the net that I cut out earlier to wrap it around till I get to the end of the Alice band. I'll be using the net that I cut out to wrap it around. I secure it down with the glue. Once I secure it down, I'll wrap it till I get to the end of the band. And once I'm done with this step, I'll go ahead with the pleats on it. Just make sure once you are wrapping it, it is very tight. If you are not sure about the tightening, you can use the gum to glue it down so that it will secure and it won't be removing after you have done all your pretty work. So once I wrap it around successfully, I'll make sure the wrapping is very neat, and the net that I cut out is about 50 inches long. The length for the Alice band is like 14 inches, but because we are wrapping it around, it will become longer. So I cut out like 50 inches. So once I wrap it around till I get to the end of the Alice band, I'll secure it down again with the gum tightly and neatly. Once I secure it around, then the base for the headband is ready. I'll proceed to the pleat on it. So the base for the headband is ready, which is easy to make. You can even use it like this or just embellish it with some accessories and it is ready. So here I'll be measuring out 18 inches of 1 yard of net scarf. So I cut it into two. So I'll be cutting out 18 inches for the first color, which I'll be cutting out the same 18 inches for the second color. and I'll be cutting out another 18 inches again for the third one. So once I'm done, I'll secure the mouth together with the glue. I'll secure it tightly and neatly. Once I secured it together, then you can pleat or put an heavy stuff to hold it down. If you are not sure about the heavy stuff you are putting on it, you can use your mouth to hold it and pleat it so that it will be tight while you are doing it. If you put something on it, it might not hold it down properly. But if you use your mouth or you tell someone to help you hold it down, then you can pleat your pleat neatly and tightly. But with this, it wasn't tight, so I have to go off camera to pleat it. I use this cut out net to hold the extreme end so that it won't be removing for backup use. And I put the essence mount that I have for the wrapping. I joined it with the cutout that I did earlier, and I'll be pleating. I tried it again to pleat, but it was not tight enough to what I want. So I have to go off camera to pleat it so that it will be tight and very neat while doing it. So this is what I pleated off camera, and it is very neat. I'm trying to close the mouth that I pleated. So once I'm done with the closing, I'll be using the glue again to secure the mouth neatly. It's not very hard. You just have to make sure every work you are doing is very neat so that once you are done with it, the result that will come out will be neat and you will be satisfied with what you've done. So I will wrap it around. I'll use the essence net, any color of it that I want to use. I'll use the essence net to cover it around. I cut out some that I see that it will be heavy, and I use the essence nets that I have to wrap it around with the glue.
Oh,
The glue was very hot, so it was running my hand. Once I've done this neatly, I'll be securing it to the base of the Alice band we did earlier. And to your choice, you can embellish this with some um stones accessories. For this, I am leaving it for simple tutorial of what you can do easily at your leisure time, and this still came out very beautiful. You can rock it to church, you can rock it to any of your outfits that you love, you can rock it to the office as well. It depends on the color of what you are wearing. So I'll be gluing it to the I glue the mouth to the base that we did earlier neatly, and I make sure it is very neat and it came out very beautiful. So once I've secured it down properly, I make sure the glue and the Alice band hold it down properly. So once I've glued it down properly, I'll be closing the extreme end of the band again with the external headband band we have earlier. So I'll be using it to wrap the extreme end of this of our design, and I make sure the glue secured it down properly. So this is almost the final outlook. I'll be using this band to cover it. You can use any color, any matching color of band you wish. So I'll be using these trimmings to cover it around. Once I've covered it like 2 times, I'll be cutting out the excess trimmings that I have, and I will repeat the same step with the second side of the band. So here is the final outcome, which I'll be repeating the same step with the extreme end of the band. So I'll repeat the same step with the second hand, and our design for the headband is ready, and it came out beautiful. You can use any color of choice for this band. I choose to use this color because it's matching what I want to use it for. Yeah, yeah. Mm. Come on, man. Yes. So here's the final outcome. I hope you like it, and I hope you've learned one or two on this tutorial. Please, if you are new to my channel, please kindly subscribe, and if you are an old subscriber, thank you for always staying tuned. I love you guys, and I'll be dropping more of this kind of tutorial very soon. So please do me well by clicking the subscribe button, like this video, and remember to share. Thank you, and I will see you in the next one. And this is the final result of the band. I hope you like it, and I hope you will give this a try. You don't need a sewing machine for this. It came out very beautiful and it's nice. You can use it for your baby, while an adult can rock it as well. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.